Hi friends, today we are going to see the basic tools used in Creo 2.0. Um, click, click on the new page. It will show the layout, sketch, part, assembly, manufacturing, drawing, format, blah. Here, if you click on the sketch and draw, which is sketch is a template which is used to draw 2D dimensions. Here you can see that line. Then in line, two types of lines are there. One line chain used previously, that line chain, and another one is line tangent. Line tangent means it will work only if a circle is there. For example, drawing a circle and clicking on the circle, sorry, if click on the line tangent, it will ask it is a tangent to which a line should be tangent. I am clicking on the circle and you see here the line will be tangent with the circle. Automatically it will take. This is the line tangent. And then moving on to rectangle. Four types of rectangles: corner, slanted, centered, and parallelogram. Corner rectangle is nothing but the rectangle is formed fixing one corner and moving the other three corners. And slanted rectangle, fixing one edge of the rectangle as constant in a direction and making a rectangle in the opposite directions. Here you can see that tangent rectangle. And centered rectangle. Centered rectangle, in the name which indicates that rectangle will be formed from the center. So here you can see that from the center. Okay. From the center, another rectangle I am drawing. And then parallelogram. You will know about the parallelogram. Opposite sides are parallel. So more similarly, it is like slanted rectangle. Here is the slanted rectangle. I'm showing you. See, but slanted rectangle will go only in that opposite direction. In which edge you selected, it will go along that side only. But parallelogram, not like that. Here you can see parallelogram. You can adjust any side you want. Okay. Then circle. In circle also we have four types of circles: centered and point, concentric, 3-point, 3-tangent, etc. Once I will clear all the sides. Okay. Circle. First, centered and point. Center and point means placing a center point and drawing a circle. Okay. And concentric circle. Concentric circle is nothing but drawing a circle inner or outer to the existing circle, which is circle. Clicking on the circle, it is an interior circle and it is an outer circle. I'll show again. Clicking on the concentric circle, click on a previously existed circle, and you can it automatically get the center point from the previous circle and draws outer or inner. Okay. Then moving on to 3-point tangent. 3-point tangent means nothing but drawing a circle with 3 points: 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and third point will be a fixing point. So 3. That's all. 3-tangent. Oh, sorry. 3-tangent means the circle creates a circle is created with lines. For example, I will draw lines. See, lines 1 and 2, and you can draw a line in any direction alternatively. Then click on the 3-tangent circle click at first line and second line, and automatically it will show the tangent of the third line. Okay, I will show you once again. Draw a line first. It can be in any direction, one here or here. Okay, click on the tangent on circle. First pick the initial state of the circle, and second point it should touch, and automatically it will show the third point. That's it. Here you can see that line is tangent. Okay, that's it. Moving on to arc. Arc also having 4 different types. I will explain you arc. But most commonly used arcs are 3-point or tangent ends and the centered ends. But the conic and centric arcs cannot be used most probably. Clicking on the 3-point points, same as a 3-point circle, 1 and 2, and the third point to be fixed, 1, 2 and 3. Then center and ends. Okay, first you select the center. Okay, first you select the center, the point to be centered, and select the second end where it should start, and third where should it end. That's it. I will explain you once again. Select on the center and ends. Ends means both the ends, starting end and final end. First you select the center and drag. It will show a circle in dotted lines, and you can place a first end, and from that the second ends. So center and 2 ends, that is called the center and ends tangent. Okay, then 3 tangent and concentric conic are not used most probably. And move on to next. Ellipse, you well known about ellipse. Okay, ellipse, first you should select the center of the ellipse. One second. First dot indicates the starting of the ellipse, and the last should be the final. Okay, that's it. Starting point and ending point and an ellipse. Okay, and the spline you will know about it. It is a kind of R. You can use like spline bending it. That's it. Blended and blended and blended. Okay, this is spline. And the fillet, chamfers and text, offsets and all we will see in 3D designing. Okay, that's all. This is the part of the sketch. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.